Very nice to meet you.
Yes, sir.
We spoke a little bit a few days ago, and I was really excited to find out more about GreenGate 3D. It looks pretty interesting. You mind telling us what everything here is all about?
Sure. So I've been in the plastics recycling business for 26 years.
Oh, wow.
And we were getting these recycled PETG pellets and thinking, like, what industry would this work in?
Right.
So a little birdie kind of whispered in my ear and said, you should really try 3D printing.
Naturally.
Could have been Daddy-O from above. I don't know, but by good grace, here we are. We tried this material with a place in Florida, and they said, you've got a great product. We tested it with people we found on Facebook. 50 people, 50 schools. They all said this is a great material.
Nice.
Start the company.
And of course, we all love Florida because that's where we're from.
Nice, very good. So the raw material is a PETG plastic for packaging.
Okay.
Highly associated with food. Not
Right.
always, but highly associated with food. So with this material, if it fails quality assurance, meaning if there's pinholes in it or the thickness of the film is incorrect,
Right.
the optical scanners will catch it. It will go into the GreenGate 3D pile.
Okay.
And because we know these guys for 15 years, they'll pelletize for us.
Oh, even better.
Right. So the environmental footprint is lower. We don't
Okay.
have to pay for an additional pelletizing cost, and we don't have to ship it to another facility.
Awesome.
So we save on money, and we save on transportation.
Okay.
And fumes for the oil and,
Right.
and the gas from the trucks.
And it's great because all this material that would have normally gone to waste
That's correct.
is going into something that we can use
A
as,
finished
as
product.
makers and 3D printers.
That's correct.
Awesome.
So once it's pelletized, then we add color, and we string it out into filament.
Okay.
And that's the final product.
And you guys have some pretty incredible looking colors here. I
do.
love this pink. It's got a real nice shimmer to it.
Yes, that's Magic Magenta. And I don't know how well it'll show up on the camera, but Magic Magenta, when you hit it with a black light, it glows orange.
Oh wow, okay.
So it's a really cool
That's
look.
pretty neat.
Yeah, it's got a nice shine to it. This we did for Michigan State University. They call it Spartan Armor Green, and they wanted to match their base Spartan color, which we did, and then we added a silver sparkle to it, thus the name Armor.
Okay, nice.
For that silver look. We have a couple more schools we're doing business with. Contract's not finalized, but we're getting there.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, I'm excited about that.
3D printing meets sports.
3D printing meets sports, that's
Yeah.
exactly right.
Yeah.
That's true. Rarely does that happen.
Yeah.
So we also have well, we can go into materials.
Yes, absolutely.
This is one of our newest materials. It is recycled nylon 12.
Oh wow.
Yes.
Okay.
So the material actually comes in as SLS, used SLS resin.
Oh wow. Okay,
Yes.
that's interesting.
And if you've ever seen used resin, you see like little chunks and pieces
Right.
of the material that isn't used, but it's like fragmented.
Okay.
That has to be sifted out. So once it's sifted, then it can be pelletized,
Oh wow, that's pretty cool.
right? And then strung out into filament. And this particular material is sourced from a U.S. automotive manufacturer,
Oh.
a huge company
Yeah.
here, been around for decades.
I'm pretty sure we could probably figure out which
Sorry,
one
sorry.
that one is.
You probably could.
Yeah. I drive one.
Here's some parts.
Oh wow, those look fantastic.
Yeah. These are from customers.
Oh,
These
wow.
are not parts printed at GreenGate 3D. They came from customers.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Those look pretty darn good.
They're really good.
And it's recycled material, which is
Yep.
even gooder.
Even gooder.
Even gooder.
Yep. And it's nylon 12. It is not 6 or 6.6 or a
Right.
blend. It is nylon
It's
12.
pure nylon 12.
Correct.
That's pretty cool.
We're also doing, because we're getting customer requests, we're doing ABS, but this is virgin.
Oh wow, okay.
So Chuck Hellebuck, maybe some of your viewers have know Chuck. Chuck's a great guy, he's a straight shooter.
Yep.
He said our ABS is amongst the best he has ever seen, which is a high praise.
Pretty high praise, yes.
And Scott Meredith said the same. He did some testing at Murph where it was like a swamp. in
Oh
there,
yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And he goes, Rich, your stuff is as good as anybody's, even in these conditions.
That's pretty impressive.
It is. We're very happy about
It
it.
was very hot and muggy up there.
Yeah, it was bad. And at current, the final piece to our material side is carbon fiber PETG.
Which is a favorite of mine, so.
Excellent.
Yes.
All right. Took us a long time to get here. It's very hard to find a compounder that would do it in the quantities that we can handle.
Right.
They wanted like a 40,000 pound order. Oh, that's too big for us. We have the materials.
Yeah.
We have the materials. But the customer base to do 40,000 is a lot.
Right.
So we're not there. But after several years, we finally found someone. And now we have a 15% by volume carbon fiber PETG that prints at 215.
Wow.
So you don't have to change your slicer one bit.
I can just use my PLA profile for that.
That's exactly right. And that's
Nice.
the strength of our company, is that you can run our material at PLA temperatures.
Which is pretty awesome.
Yeah. And here's another part. This
Oh, wow.
actually, our extrusion team printed this.
That,
I didn't print it, but it is.
that looks fantastic.
Right, and here's the side of it.
Oh my. Oh, that is beautiful.
Thank you.
That's one of the best parts about carbon-filled materials, but even that's fantastic looking.
The final piece to the Green Gate puzzle is our modeling team. All of these were done in-house.
Oh wow.
You will not find these on any social media sites. They're just our own pieces. We started with them to show off the materials, and then it grew into, well, why aren't we doing this outside?
Right.
So we have customers that come to us if they want us to do their logo, or they want us to do like a point of purchase display. We can do all that stuff in-house, and we can turn it around quickly. And we have color printers that can do multicolor printing.
Of course.
So that's part of it. And something that I'm really happy about, this is one of our newest pieces.
That's pretty cool. I know my uncle would love one of those.
Right. So not just if you're a cigar smoker, but if you're a store,
Oh yeah.
right?
That's a good point.
We have a little slot for a business card holder. So
Okay.
you lean the cards up against here. And the trick was, how do you get the ash to look good? And it took a number of iterations.
That's pretty. So you got transparent with the red inside.
Yes, so we removed the walls,
Okay.
allowed a 15% gyroid, which could see inside the cherry pie, which looks like that burning cigar.
That's pretty cool.
I love this piece. That and the Pop-Tarts are killers.
Pop-Tarts. Everyone loves a good Pop-Tart.
And the trick here is all the Pop-Tarts are the same height,
Right.
and we knew there's a lot of kids that like to play with them, and whatever order they put them back, we wanted them to be in the stair.
Right.
So we modeled the inside of it different heights.
it's okay.
That's how we got that.
That's smart.
So when we started Green Gate, it was just me, but we got so busy, even though my wife is a school teacher, she came on board full time. So whenever you get a package, more likely than not, Barbara will have filled it. She'll send her own personal note, and she'll put in some starbursts.
Oh, very nice.
Yep. And I could not do it without her. She's also our representative with Bamboo Labs and First Robotics.
Very nice.
And we've made a consortium between us and Bamboo and First to discount printers to First teams and also give free filament.
Nice. Even more proof that behind every great man, there's an even greater woman.
Well done. And that's the Green Gate 3D story. We're 6 years now. We're looking forward to doing 60 more. And I won't be around in 60 years, but who knows who's next to run the company at some point.
Well, that sounds pretty good. I'm definitely gonna have to get myself some Green Gate filament and try it out.
Awesome.
All right, well, Richard, thank you so much for taking the time. I'm sure everybody's gonna love to see this one because I missed you guys at Rocky Mountain. I was there, but I didn't get a chance to actually come and find out what you guys were all about. So
Sure.
I appreciate it.
You're welcome.